Talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, come here to new supporter here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's menu supporter notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.